Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Zoom calls, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you use emojis in a Zoom meeting? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use an emoji in a Zoom call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have a lot of sales calls on Zoom meetings or even team meetings. And if you want to be noticed, you can go ahead and use an emoji so that way the host knows that maybe you have a question or maybe you're reacting in a positive manner. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in the Zoom call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into a live Zoom call, as you can see right here. Now, if you want to use an emoji while you're on a Zoom call, here on the bottom, you're going to look for this button here called React. It has a little heart on it. Once you do that, you're going to see the various emojis that are available. But if you want to use a different emoji, what you can do is you can click on these three little dots, and it's going to open up the emoji menu. So you can go ahead and just choose the emoji. So for example, this one right here. And as you can see, it's going to pop up here on the left. And it's going to sit there for about 10 or maybe 15 seconds, and then it'll automatically disappear. So that's going to be a little bit different than when you use the raise hand. So right here, if you raise your hand, it's up here, and you can actually remove it by clicking on lower hand. As far as the emojis go, once you click it there, it's going to stay there for, I think it's like 5 or 10 seconds, and then it'll automatically disappear. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use an emoji in a Zoom call, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.